Hello guys, welcome back. It's early in the morning and it's raining, it's wet and cold. Oh. Nasa taas po ako na babaw ng tulay. Train station. 6:30 na pero madilim pa. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung view ng ano. Ayan yung view ng sideways and byways and ito pala yung ano train station, train railway. Yan yung narata. O diba, ang aga-aga ko. 1 hour kasi yung biyahe ko, kaya papuntang work, kaya mas maaga yung gising para hindi mahuli sa bus, kasi yung mga bus dito may timetable. Yung ibang tao tulog pa, ako naman gising pa na. Ayan, may nagbabike pa, hindi naman masyadong malamig, hindi frozen, kaya okay lang. Pero, ayan na yung bus na sasakyan ko, guys. Thank you very much. See you again next time. That is the bus. Si orange bus. Kakuso. Bye-bye.